They brought out a dumpster and they just started doing some small dismantling and pulling out of things that are going to be recycled and reused. The doors, yeah, all of that. So let's go ahead and take a walk on the inside. Okay, they left the plans, whoops, they left the plans in here, and they haven't done anything in this room yet, but look what they've done in here. I don't know if you can remember from the first video, I'm not sure I walked you through this way, but it's kind of dark, so let's see if I can get to a spot where you can see everything. They took the cabinetry out, and let me tell you, it just smells delightful in here. But that was what was behind the wall. And we're thinking this part was built in the 1950s or 60s, but the front part of the house that isn't getting worked on is 1906. Look at that. That's where the sink was. Take the door off. And that's the laundry room. I'll take you in there in a second, but the biggest change is actually the master bedroom, and you'll see that. I pulled out the pantry, and I had him put the wood back inside there because it opened up to dirt right to the floor, and we have little kittens living under the floor. So yeah, wow, look at that. It's so different. Okay, they're gonna come back and do more tomorrow. They just had to get the preliminaries done and get everything set up so that they can have some workers come with them tomorrow. But look at, that's gonna be the floor. There'll be tile. There'll be tile here. And this is the cabinet that had my clothes in it, but now it's just a gaping hole, and that's going to be the master bathroom right there. So I can actually visualize it now. I can visualize this being a bathroom. And this is going to be where the door is, which is really interesting. Okay. And this is the master bedroom. And this was where the air conditioner was. Now I have a gaping hole. I think I should put something up over there tonight just because I really don't want to leave it wide open. But what a nice little picturesque view. And I just have to show you this because it's of no significance, but I have some beautiful hydrangeas. Ah! I have some beautiful hydrangeas down there. So, okay. Now let's take a walk. Sorry to make you sick. They took the heater out here. That's where the double doors are going to be. They're going to go out into a porch area. And here's another view. They're going to close this up right here, this wall, and then they're going to take the closet out. And they're actually going to move the closet where that gaping hole is. Right here. I'm not going to walk through there, but I can just show you in there how it looks. So different. So glad it's going away, actually. I'm excited. They said they didn't do very much, but to me it looks like they did a lot. So it was just a partial day for them today. Oh, and right here we had our little height measuring. We used to measure the kids by their height on that wall, and he was nice enough to take that off, and he saved it for us, so that was pretty nice. So that's what it is so far.